Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. I have a simple yet interesting pop-up video for you. It's a flip-flop frame pop-up card. I hope you will enjoy this. So stay with me and let's do it together. This is our base card, just half of an 8.5 by 13 card in 200 GSM. Let's make our strip tab. By the way, pop-uppers, this mechanism is not originally mine. I just saw this on Pinterest and I love it. So, I fully give the credit to the uploader of this video on Pinterest. I just adopted this idea by making this video, but I create my own simple version specifically for beginners and with different measurements as well. So as you can see on the screen, the width is 0.75 inch while the length is 3.5 inches. It has 4 sections. The small sections are 0.5 inch, while the longer one is 1.75 inches. But of course, your measurement will depend on how long or big your base card will be. This is just a model. Paste this 0.5 tab here, following the mark as what you see on the video. We're going to have another strip, a bigger one. This is to cover the right end of the blue tab. The measurement will just depend on your preference, but in this video, the width is 1.5 inches and the length is 5 inches. This is the look of the blue tab. It will be hidden under the yellow strip once the base card is folded. It's interesting, right? Finally, here's the flip-flap frame. Make it sure that the frame is not more than 1.75 inches because once the card is folded, this frame will lie down onto this section and this section is 1.5 inches. If it exceeds, it won't lie flat. Oh, the edge of the frame meets the edge of the blue tab, so when you fold the card, just push it a little. Okay, here it is, our flip-flap frame pop-up card. This is just a model. You can create your own version using this kind of mechanism. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much, Pop-Uppers. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye!